In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share multiple Canva designs with your team in just a few simple steps. We'll make sure everyone has access to what they need, streamlining your creative process and enhancing collaboration. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open Canva and look for the Projects tab. This is where you'll manage your designs and folders, a handy feature that allows you to keep everything organized. Once you click on Projects, the next step is to create a new folder for your designs. To do this, click the Add New button, which you'll find within your project space. It's usually pretty prominent and easy to spot. When you click Add New, you'll see a few different options appear. What we're interested in for our purposes today is creating a folder. So go ahead and select Folder from the options provided. This acts as a container for the designs you're intending to share, so you can keep everything related together in one spot. Now it's time to give your new folder a name. Think of something descriptive so your team knows exactly what they're looking at. For example, if you're working on a marketing campaign, you might name the folder after that. Once you've settled on a name, simply type it in the box provided. After naming your folder, you'll want to proceed by clicking Continue. This step creates your folder and gets it ready for populating with your designs. Next up, you'll see an option to open your newly created folder. Click on Open so you can start adding content to it. Inside the folder, you'll notice a button labeled Add Designs. Click on it, and from there you'll choose your projects, which will allow you to view all the designs you've been working on that are available to add. One great feature in Canva is the ability to simply drag and drop your designs into the folder, making this part of the process quick and easy. Go ahead and add all the designs that you want to share with your team to the folder. Once all your designs are in, look for the option to move them. By moving your designs, you're ensuring they're all in the right place, ready to be shared. Now that your folder is perfectly curated, it's time to share it with your team. Click on the Share button. You'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of the people you want to give access to. Make sure their access setting is on Edit if you want them to be able to make changes to the designs, ensuring smooth collaboration without the back and forth of sending files. Finally, click on Share Folder. You've now successfully shared your Canva designs, making collective creativity that much more seamless. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.